These are standalone mobile refilling unit having a capacity of 400 SCM per hour. So theoretically it can fill 40 cars per hour. And this standalone unit has the compressor, built-in generator, built-in dispenser, dual filling hose. So only thing, the cascade needs to be attached to it and this system is ready to fill. In every traffic there is a peak time. One side there is a peak time in the morning, other side there will be. So these kind of units help so that people going or returning from office can fill in that side in the evening and going to office fill in the other side. Within a week we will commission this system in Abuja. And with the presidential CNG initiative, it gives us motivation, it boosts us to showcase what technical strength, what know-how we have, and just to support the economy of the country, just to support the initiative. And obviously CNG means other than equipment, nothing is imported. Importation is very less. And the dependency on forex is not there. So within this indigenous use, it can be optimized to the lowest possible pricing. So this CNG can relieve the masses from the high fuel price what they are incurring today. I will say CNG is as much safe or as much dangerous as any other hydrocarbon, and any hydrocarbon product we need to handle it carefully. If we use proper equipments or the cylinders which are meant for use in the CNG operation, there are hardly any chances of accidents in the CNG. The cylinder is so strong that even in case of accident of any vehicle, CNG cylinder never explodes. Like the initiative started by Honorable President, it is the best initiative which will relieve lot of masses from a high fuel price. And we as a pioneer of CNG, we are always there to support any such initiative which gives service to society, which support the Nigeria development. And we hope that more and more serious investors will also join this CNG for making the Honorable President initiative as a huge success. I am Nagendra Verma, Managing Director, NIPCO Gas. We urge people of Nigeria to switch to CNG. CNG is much safer, much economical, and it will relieve from lot of hardship if the masses converts to CNG.